And you're exactly right. Derek Pumaren has seen his lead whittle down to 10.
Watch the move here. Head and shoulder fake. One more fake. Then he goes around Aliado. And he is gone.
This is a nice pass by Pochuino. Hawkins has a chance to complete the 3-point play.
Ginawa na lahat ni Pinoha rin. So pagpigilin si Bong Hawkins.
Si Jonas nasa kanto. Narito si Hawkins sa ilalim. Whoa! Flying carpet shot.
19-11 and San Miguel needs a...
No, tapos panic time na. You have to take a hurried shot from the outside.
Oh, excellent pass. Watch this play. Hawkins to the Remdes. They've been doing that for so many years, and it's been as successful as this.
And he needed that basket to lift up his confidence a little bit. Easy 2 points underneath the basket for Bong Hawkins.
Pagka wala siya sa loob. Ito si Bong.